Hello guys, I'm Cherian. We can continue the differentiation of parametric functions. Alright, first one, x equals t square plus t, y equals t square minus t. Okay, here the functions x function, t function. There are two functions. Differentiation of x with respect to time. Here differentiation of y with respect to time or t. Okay, dx by dt equals 2t plus 1. Derivative of t square is 2t, 2t raised to 1. Derivative of t is t raised to 1. T means t raised to 1. 1 t raised to 1 minus 1. 1 t raised to 0. That is 1. Right? 1. Then dy by dt. dy by dt equals derivative of t square is 2t minus derivative of t is 1. So dy by dx equals dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, what is dy by dt? 2t minus 1 divided by, what is dx by dt? 2t plus 1. So this is the answer. Okay, next one. X is equal to sec t, y is equal to tan t. Okay, here x and t, dx by dt. What is the derivative of sec t? Sec x tan x. Here sec t tan t into derivative of t is 1. You don't need to write that. Okay, then dy by dt. What is the derivative of tan t? Tan x. C square x, here c square t. Okay, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, that is c square t by sec t tan t. You can simplify this. Sec t, one sec t you can cancel out. Okay, sec t is 1 by cos t. I am going to simplify this. Okay, tan t is sin t by cos t. Okay, cos t get cancelled. So 1 by sin t. 1 by sin t is what? Cosec t. Sometimes the question is like x is equal to sec t, y is equal to tan t. Show that dy by dx equals cosec t. So you need to do all these steps. Otherwise, you can stop here. That is sec t divided by tan t. Okay, you will get full mark. Okay. Next, x is equal to 2t cos t, y equals minus 1 plus sin t. This is not 2t, 2 plus, okay, 2 plus. Okay, dx by dt equals, what is derivative of 2? 2 is a constant, so 0. You don't need to write that. Then plus cos t. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Okay, minus sin t. Then dy by dt equals, derivative of minus 1 is 0. You don't need to write that. Derivative of sin t is cos t. Okay, then dx, dy by dx equals dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, that is cos t divided by minus sin t. I am going to write minus on the top in the numerator. Sin t. What is cos t by sin t? Cot t. Minus cot t. Okay, that is the answer. Next, x is equal to 2 minus t, y is equal to t cube minus 40. Okay, find dy by dx. Here dx by dt equals derivative of 2 is 0, minus t is minus 1. Then here dy by dt equals, what is the derivative of t cube? 3t square minus derivative of 40 is 4, minus 4. Okay, dy by dx equals, okay, dy by dt divided by dx by dt equals, dy by dt is 3t square minus 4 divided by minus 1. So when you divide numerator and denominator with minus, so you need to minus, multiply minus on the top, that is enough. That is minus 3t square plus 40. Minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Okay, I will write 4 first. 4 minus 3t square. This is the answer. Okay, I am going to ask you one question. How can you find d square y by dx square? Well, how can you find, see, this is dy by dx. dy by dx is 4 minus 3t square, right? You need to find d square y by dx square from this. How can you do it? So this is the function of t. They are asking you differentiate this function with respect to x. There is no x here. How can you differentiate? So we can differentiate. So this is the method. d by dx of 4 minus 3t square. This is the question. This is the question. Differentiate 4 minus 3t square one more time. That is a d square y by dx square equals this. But this one, we cannot differentiate this with respect to x because this is a function of t. So you need to differentiate this function with respect to t first, then dt cancel by dx. So right now you can differentiate with respect to t, then multiply dt by dx. What is dt by dx? Dx by dt is here. Dt by dx is means you need to find the multiplicative inverse. That is minus. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1? Means you need to change the numerator to denominator to numerator. That is the same thing. Okay, that is differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of 4 is 0. Minus 3t square is minus 6t times dt by dx is minus 1. That is 60. 60 is the answer. Okay. So our question is find the derivative, first derivative. If they ask you find the second derivative, then differentiate the same function with respect to t, then multiply with dt by dx. Okay, see, this is the formula. D square y by dx square equals d by dx of dy by dx. Okay, this is the formula. But this is the function of t. Then how can you differentiate with respect to x? You cannot differentiate. So d by dt of dy by dx, then multiply, say dt, you need to cancel that dt by dx. Now it's right. dt cancel, d by dx. You got it? See, d by dx. So differentiate with respect to t first, then multiply with dt by. You don't need to memorize any formulas here. Just remember this. The second derivative is the, what is that? Derivative of the first function, right? With respect to x. If the function is in terms of t, then you cannot differentiate with respect to x. You can differentiate with respect to t. Then multiply with dt by dx. Okay? Next one. X is equal to e raised to x square y is equal to x e raised to x. Okay, here dx by this one, okay, this is easy. This one is t square, I'm sorry, t square. This one is t e raised to t, okay? Okay, dx by dt. Dx by dt equals what? E raised, what is the derivative of e raised to u? E raised to u, right? No change. D by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x. E raised to x itself. No change. So here e raised to t square. Then use the chain rule. Derivative of t square is 2t. Okay, finished. Then dy by dt. Here there are two functions, t and e raised to t. So you need to use the product rule. D by dx of uv equals u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. So here t into derivative of e raised to t is e raised to t plus e raised to t into derivative of t is 1. Okay. So dy by dx equals dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So that is t e raised to t plus e raised to t, that is this one, divided by 2t e raised to t square. Okay, so you can simplify this. E raised to t, take e raised to t as a common factor in the numerator. So e raised to t into t plus 1. When you take out e raised to t outside, what is left over here? T plus 1 divided by 2t e raised to t square. Oh, no use, right? No use. So this is the answer. Okay? Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Thank you.